Welcome back to the channel. If you've been trading on Deriv, you know that manual trading can be stressful and emotionally draining. Today, I'm showing you a game changer. We're looking at PivotCore.net, a powerful auto trading interface designed specifically for Deriv traders. In this video, I'm putting a specific strategy to the test, the over 4, under 5 logic. Automated trading isn't about magic, it's about discipline. I've set a clear goal for this session. We are going to run 10 trades with a target of 5 solid wins. Let's see how the bot handles the market volatility so you don't have to. First, let's look at the interface. One of the best things about PivotCore is how seamless the integration is. You don't need to be a programmer to use this. Once you connect your account, you have access to various digit-based strategies. For those of you tired of staring at candles all day, this is your solution. I'm selecting the over-under contract type here. The beauty of PivotCore is that it executes the entry points much faster than a human ever could. We are setting our parameters now, keeping our stakes reasonable and our targets realistic. Now, why over 4 or under 5? Statistically, this covers a wide range of outcomes in the digit flow. By using PivotCore, we are looking for specific patterns before the bot triggers a trade. As you watch the screen, notice how the bot waits for the right moment. This isn't gambling, it's systematic execution. Even when we hit a loss, the system stays calm. In manual trading, a loss often leads to revenge trading. Here, the bot simply follows the logic we've set. We are aiming for that 50% win rate today to demonstrate how consistent growth works over time. We are halfway through our 10 trades. You can see the balance updating in real time. This level of transparency is why so many Deriv traders are switching to automated tools. If you want to master these settings or get access to the exact bots I'm using, you need to join our community. We have a dedicated Telegram group where we share updates, settings, and results. Check the link in the description to join t.me/pivotcore. It's a space where we grow together as a trading community. And there we have it, 10 trades completed, hitting our target. PivotCore.net makes the technical side of Deriv trading incredibly simple. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, having a tool that removes emotion from the equation is your biggest advantage. If you're ready to automate your success, head over to PivotCore.net and get started today. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more strategy breakdowns, and I'll see you in the Telegram group. Happy trading!